everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to chat about something a little old but still super relevant. A book called Noli Me Tangere. If you're a Filipino, you probably studied this in school. If not, it's a famous novel by our national hero, Jose Rizal.
Noli Me Tangere was written way back in the late 1800s during the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines. It exposed a lot of controversial stuff happening back then. But what's crazy is how many of those problems still pop up today, even though we're in 2025.
Let's talk about the oppression and injustice. In the book, the Spanish friars and officials abused their power, and the Filipinos had no say. Think about today. Do we still see powerful people or groups taking advantage of others? Maybe in workplace or even in politics, where some people feel their voices aren't heard. We still fight for fair treatment, just like back.
Then there's inequality. Noli shows a huge gap between the rich and the poor, between the colonizer and the colonized. Fast forward to now, we still see a big difference between the rich and those struggling to make ends meet. Access to good healthcare, education, or even safe housing can still depend on how much money you have, a problem we're always trying to fix. And what about education? Rizal strongly believed in its power. In the book, some characters were denied education or only got a limited one. Today, while we have more schools, do all students get the same quality education? Are there still kids who can't go to school because of poverty? Investing in education is still so important for a better future, just like Rizal imagined.
Another big theme is nationalism. The Noli helped spark a love for our country and a desire for independence. Today, while we're free, the idea of being proud Filipinos and working together for our nation's progress is still super strong. It's about protecting our environment, supporting local businesses, and standing up for what's right for our country. So, even though Noli Me Tangere is an old book, its messages are timeless. It reminds us to be aware of what's happening around us, to speak up against injustice, to fight for equality, and to value education. It's a call to action, even for us today.
What do you think? Have you read Noli Me Tangere?
How do you see it themes playing out in your life or in the news? Let me know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content.
See
See
you
you
next
next time!
time!